landed in the water. Excuse me. I found the chest immediately.
Nice.
As soon as I went down. Excuse me. Don't bother collecting stones, we don't need that shit.
It's getting like, trying to find metal ore and stuff.
That was a good one. There! I did good! Thank you for the donut!
Same.
Yeah.
Same.
Oh, it was the Syndra. Okay, good. It wasn't one of us.
What this? I have to go downstairs and get my Switch remote. That was loud. Long.
A B C D E F G H I J A L F N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
That one was wet. Share! Share! Excuse me. I cannot help. I should learn how to play Anna. Cute. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse it. Very easily. And I was gonna put my shelf there. Because I have heaps of space there. I've just fucking shoved shit there, hey. Excuse me. Yeah, my baby's been very patient. I'm very proud of him. My little patient egg. I can get a fit check. Hi, Kiko!
Fuck, the water in Brisbane tastes like shit.
I think it's just in our area.
Awful.
My
It's
outfit is
so
a little gaming outfit from Little for Big. It's super cute. Oh, and a burpee. Arigato! Padlock escape room. Alright.
Happened like crazy.
Got it!
Milky. I am actually drinking a tea at the moment.